It's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I want to show you one of our favorite pigtail hairstyles that we love to do in summer. This is a combination of a Dutch and French braid. So, comb the hair in the direction you want to do the parting. We start with a diagonal parting over the right eyebrow. When you comb the hair before in the direction you want to do the parting, it is easier to part. And now, from that point on, you want to go to the right side of the neck. So I show you. I turn the head and you see it better. This is where we want to reach with our parting. So from where my thumb is, you go down to the right side of the neck. The two part lines we did are in a right angle to each other. Now you want to check if each pigtail is going to have the same amount of hair, and I see now that my right one has not enough hair. So I will do the parting again a bit more to the left hand side so that I can add more hair to my right pigtail. What you want to do to try if you have more or less the same amount, you have to hold both braids and then you feel it more or less. It doesn't have to be 200% accurate and exact, but more or less you will feel it. We will tie off this part of the hair as we start with the Dutch braid. Therefore, in a triangle shape, you section off a strand of hair and part it into 3 strands. And now we start from the right hand side, the braiding. So you have right, middle and left strand. Bring the right strand under the middle strand and the left strand under the middle strand. Now again, right strand under the middle strand and add in some hair. Repeat this with the other side. Bring it under and add in some hair. Like always, you can add in the hair with your fingers or with the comb, what is easier for you. Make sure to smooth out the hair you are adding in to have a neater result. So take the portion, smooth it out and add it to the strand that you brought under before and keep on braiding like this. It's always bringing under and then adding in hair. So now I have to add in hair again. Smooth out and bring the right strand under before you add in hair again. Now you see here the beginning of our Dutch braid placed in the middle of the section that we prepared at the very beginning. I would like to explain you how I hold the hair, because what you want is that the braid is always closed and tight to your scalp. So take one strand under and hold it with your middle finger like I do it here, and when you add in the hair you hold also this hair with the same finger. So go through, hold the strand you brought under with the middle finger and add in hair, bringing this hair you add in also under that finger. And here I just showed you where we want to reach with our pigtail. So have that in mind while you're braiding, that you go in that direction. And now all you have to do is to braid this Dutch braid until the very end. So you will add in hair as long as you are close to the scalp, and then you just finish off a normal 3-strand braid, bringing the straights under instead of over. And when you reach at the end of the braid, just secure it with a little elastic. And this is our Dutch braid, the first part of our pigtail hairstyle. For the French braid, you section off now a strand of hair in the middle of the diagonal parting, and you part it into 3. And then the French braid, you braid exactly the other way around. So you go with the right strand over the middle strand and then with the left strand over the middle strand. And as is a French braid, you have to add in hair. So you see now I'm adding in the hair after I brought it over. And with the French braid, I'm always holding with my index finger and my thumb the hair close to the scalp. And when I add in the hair, I add it in holding it with my middle finger. There is another tutorial, the link will be in the description box, where you can follow the French braid technique step by step and very easily. Perhaps you can see it now a bit better. Bring the strand over, hold it between thumb and index finger and grab the hair with the middle finger so that it won't loosen while you are braiding. So the thumb always presses the hair down because you want to be always close to the head. Both braid techniques are basic and can be used for any hairstyle, for little kids, for adults, for teenagers. And if you are able to do a Dutch braid or a French braid, you will always be able to make an easy hairstyle for any occasion. So I like to do tight braids, especially for school or for sports like swimming or any sportive activities in school or in free time, because I think is a beautiful and easy way to have the hair out of your face. And here the same like on the other side. When you have all the hair added in, you just finish a regular braid until the end, and there you will just tie it off with a little elastic. And this is our final spin. I know my daughter does that much more elegant than I do it here with the braiding hat, but you see perfectly in the front the Dutch braid and on the other side the French braid. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the little bell to get notifications about any new tutorial we are uploading. And on our Instagram account, you will find more inspiration for all different hairstyles you can imagine. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.